All right, Bitcoin. So we have bad news and good news. The bad news is my wave count over here, it was incorrect. And then I had as a target 61,100 and we only hit 60,000. And I thought we were gonna hit that 61,100 on a wave 3, but we hit that 60,000 on a wave 5. So I'm going to go over the count over here. So we already counted this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. So this is a wave 1 and a wave 2 of a sub-minimum degree. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C. So that's a wave 1 and a wave 2 of a minimum degree. So the count that I messed up over here is this one over here. So I thought we had a 1 2 1 2 1 2 and then 3 4 3 4 3 4, and then we were gonna do another one for a 3, but we did one more for 1. So the right count is 1 2, then 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, and then 3 4 5 for 3 4 and then 5. So that completes a wave 3 over there. And all of this, it's a wave 4 and then wave 5, and then that completes wave 1. Okay, now the good news is that all of this, it's a wave 1 and a wave 2, which means our targets now are higher. And like I said, the longer this takes, the higher it's gonna go. So we continue to move sideways. We've been moving sideways over here for what, like 2 days, 2.5 days, almost 3 days. But yeah, this part over here is interesting. So we have a leading diagonal wave 1 with a leading diagonal wave 1. So for this wave 1 over here, so we have 1 2 3 4 and then 5, and you can see how that wave 5 falls short of the trending line of wave 1 and wave 3, so it fell short over here. So we have an ABC, that's wave 2. So all of this, it's a wave 1 and a wave 2 of a bigger leading diagonal wave 1 and wave 2. So we get the same idea over here. So that's wave 1 2 3 4 and then 5, and then 5 fell short of the trending line of 1 and 3. So as a target for wave 2, we can use the same target that this wave 2 has. So we do a retracement tool from the top of wave 1. From the top of wave 1 to the bottom of wave 1. We can see that wave 2 retraced to about between the 61.8 and the 50% of wave 1. So we can use the same idea to get a target for this wave 2. So we put the top of wave 1. Oh, it's already there. Yeah, the top of wave 1 to the bottom of wave 1, and we could expect this wave 2 to retrace to around the same level that this wave 2 did. So between the 61.8 and the 50%, which would be around 58,000. Yeah, because the 61.8% it's 5872, and then the 50% it's 57,700. Yeah, that's my probable target for wave 2 over there. So this is a wave 1 and a wave 2 of a bigger degree wave 3. So I'm thinking as soon as this wave 2 finishes, it's going to take off like real fast. Okay, so I have, using the Fibonacci extensions of this wave 1 and 2 over here in green, I have a possible target for this 1, 2 for wave 3. I'm thinking we could see around 63,000, and then a retracement somewhere 61 and 60,000. So let's say 6,800, and then the bigger wave 3, because this is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that again. So this would be 1, 2, 3, like I said, around 63, 4, and then 5, and that would complete wave 3 of this bigger degree 1, 2, 3, around 65, 600, and then we could see a retracement between 63 and 61, and then for a final wave 5, we could be seeing at least 68,000. And then at this, we're at a wave 5 of a 5 of a 5 of a 5 of a 3. So whenever this wave completes, we're gonna see a big drop. Well, let's not get emotional. Let's say we're gonna see a considerable drop, probably to the 40s, to the previous wave 4, I would say. Yeah, we're gonna see a drop around over here, which would be 42 and 29. But we're not gonna worry about that yet. I mean, it's gonna be like I said, a considerable drop, but we have ways to go. But yeah, those are the targets that I have based on the Fibonacci extension. So 64, as before, it's in the past. We're looking at 68 now, and that's all I have for today.